Good morning. I'm Susan Fox, and today we're going to review Love Song. It's a beautiful lavender floribunda, and it blooms in sprays of gorgeous lavender blooms. And you can see I have my little ruler from the Seed Keeper Company, and this bloom is fully 4 inches across, and it's about 3.5 to 4 inches, and it's got a lovely soft scent, and the contrast between the dark green foliage is quite interesting, and it makes the lavender even more intense. The blooms last a long time, and it is somewhat disease resistant. I've had very good luck with it, and it's quite a conversation piece because I found that people really love the series of flowers that we call the blues, the lavenders. So I have really enjoyed Love Song. So I would highly recommend Love Song in your garden. So thank you for listening to this review of Love Song.